Here's popular app called LUMOSITY, brain training, play, learn, improve. So this is the app. Exercise your memory, reasoning, and more with the world's most popular brain training program. LUMOSITY's cognitive training program is a fun, interactive way to train your brain and learn about how your mind works. Used by over 100 million people worldwide, LUMOSITY's program consists of games designed to exercise memory, speed, flexibility, and problem solving. Begin with a free 10-minute fit test to set your baseline scores and see how you compare with others your age. The app includes 40 plus activities, workout, most detailed training insights, and yeah, so that's the idea. And then you can just open it. So then you can just go and create your account in here, and that's basically how you get started. So you can just see the details, and then you can just get started in this app, and then you just take your fit test, calculate it, and then this app automatically creates program for you. So you just get your training program in here, and then you can just start it out. So that's how you get started.